Hey YouTube, so I wanted to put a phone mount onto my still pretty new JL Wrangler Unlimited, and I chose to go with Bulletproof Mounting because mostly I was sold on the fact that it has a GoPro mount and it mounts on the top of the dashboard. This wasn't provided to me or anything. It's something I bought on my own, and today I just wanted to install it and see how it goes. The kit itself, so Bulletproof Mounting offers a ton of different variations, so make sure you get the one that you want. So this is the JL mount with for the driver's side. They make a passenger side also. I'm not sure if they make a center, but yeah. And then so they got the arm here. Another reason I like the cool like carbon fiber, I thought it would make it lighter, but this is pretty heavy duty. The ball joints are all metal. The base is metal, and even the phone mounts holder is metal. And to install it, it says that you have to remove this rubber piece here, and this will install up here. And so that does require cutting of the tray, but you can see it doesn't really take up much of the tray, so you still have plenty to use up there. It does come with screws and all the hardware you need, except for the rubbing alcohol, which says to use it to clean up the base because it has adhesive. So it uses the existing screw up there to mount, and then also 3 additional screw holes if you desire. That will require drilling. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use the existing OEM screw, clean it off with the alcohol, and use the adhesive, and I'll see how that does. You can see this is a really new Jeep, so I probably don't even really need this. If your Jeep has a couple miles, probably some dust has gotten under there. It'd be good to clean it. I don't really think I need this, but I have it anyway. This is probably 3M high adhesive. It's pretty difficult to get the corner started, but if you can't get it out, you just use like a small razor blade or a very fine knife and just get under there and get a corner out. I'm just kind of wedging it up as far left as possible, dropping it straight down. probably best to pump up your seat, raise it up as high as possible, and it'll make it a little bit easier to see. OEM screw back in. The instructions do say to let the adhesive cure for 24 hours. In my opinion, it seems pretty strong already. So I'm just going to mount my stuff up and just go forward with it. It seems pretty sturdy with the screw in there already. I don't know if you could see, but the mount ends about where this little nub is. And that nub goes in and covers that hole if you're still worried about dust getting in there, so the tray will still be able to do its job and keep that hole plugged up. Alright, so there's the tray back in. You got your phone mounted up, or phone mount mounted up. And we'll see how the GoPro and the arm is. Alright, so there it is with my phone mounted up. You can see it actually doesn't really stick up too far out of the dash. Mostly this is just my phone is a pretty large phone. So there's the orientation if you like it. I almost would say that it might be a little bit more out of the way for the driver to have it on the passenger side, but that is up to you. The phone mount is just a spring. Comes out pretty easy. Pops in pretty easy. The wobbling is mostly because I don't have this arm tightened up all the way. I'll probably take it off and flip it over. Then the next thing is I'll put up the GoPro, show that orientation, and maybe do some point of view driving and see how it looks through the windshield. So anyway, that's how you install a Bulletproof Mountings dashboard mount for the JL Wrangler, and hope this helps. Alright, so I got the GoPro mounted. You can see I fixed the arm position, and it's mostly because of the, you know, how flat the windshield is, but I put the GoPro a little bit back, but you can see the orientation and it looks pretty good. Also, I showed the tray, put some sunglasses there. Show you still got lots of usable space on that tray if you're worried about that. overall I'm pretty happy, and take it for a drive and see how it does.